I went to a fashion show in 2004 and I saw my wife walking down the runway. She didn't know it, okay? There was an after party afterwards. I may or may not, I'll deny it, guys, if you bring it up. Don't bring it up about my wife because she won't deny it. I was less than skillful when I talked to her. Less than skillful because I saw somebody, I was like, wow, this is the person for me. And I was so excited and I didn't slow the process down in the beginning. It took me 1.5 years to recover from that one thing, right? The more you're like, oh my God, I see a problem. Oh my God, this is a perfect marriage. Oh my God, this is the company for me. The more that they're going to take that and go creeper, right? And not want it. So this is where we have to, you got to take your cards, right? Kenny Rogers, know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run, right? We never count our money when we're sitting at the table. Even though you know they're perfect for you, you're going to lead with the hook. Man, there is something going on at the top meal prep companies. There's a little secret that they're all kind of sharing with each other. I wanted to make sure you were in on it, right? Legislative change. It's causing X, Y, Z, and ABC, right? Yeah. And how are you guys dealing with that? Now you're going to slowly, wow, you don't like wicker furniture either, and you hate this kind of food and love this kind of food, and oh my gosh, does it make sense for us to have lunch, right? We got to slow down in the beginning. Once I was able to have that conversation with my wife, we were great. We were great from the first date. But when I walked up to her with like guns a-blazing, I'm perfect for you, you're perfect for me, didn't go well, right? So this is where we've got to temper our enthusiasm, and this is just part of strategic selling, right? Like, we got to look at our ideal prospects, know that they're perfect for us, but then realize also that they're not where we are. They're not, that person is not mentally where you are. They don't know what you know. And if we just go, hey, I want to show you this, the more we push, the more they're going to push back, right? This is where we got to have a hook. Hey, I just want to make sure you were aware of it, right? How are you dealing with it? When you say you guys haven't brought it up, can you give me a specific example? Have you not talked about it at all, or have you talked about it and you've tabled it? What's going on in your world? Where are you with the meal prep company? By the way, congratulations on everything you've done so far. Where are you guys at, just out of curiosity, in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be? Get all of that stuff out before you really dig into how you're going to help them, right? Because people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. The best way for you to show them that you care is, man, I just wanted to make sure you were aware of something.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.